This small modern house, situated on a 10 meters by 20 meters plot, represents a clever fusion of minimalistic design principles and innovative space planning. Despite the modest plot size, the house offers a spacious, open feel, thanks to its integration of a central courtyard and a spool, a small pool that serves as a focal point for both relaxation and aesthetics. The design showcases how architecture can adapt to smaller urban plots, ensuring a comfortable lifestyle without compromising on luxury, nature, or functionality. The house follows a minimalistic and modern design ethos, characterized by clean lines, open spaces, and the thoughtful use of natural materials. The overall architectural concept revolves around maximizing light, ventilation, and views, with a heavy emphasis on indoor-outdoor living. The central courtyard and spool are key to achieving this, creating a serene environment where nature becomes an integral part of daily life. The facade of this small modern house is designed to make a subtle yet impactful statement, combining minimalist aesthetics with practical elements that enhance the home's functionality. The exterior showcases a balanced use of materials, textures, and forms, all working together to create a refined and modern appearance that complements the compact nature of the 10 meter by 20 meter plot. Despite its small size, the facade achieves a sense of spaciousness and openness while maintaining privacy for the interior spaces. The courtyard is the true centerpiece of the home, designed not just as an aesthetic feature, but as a multifunctional space. It serves as a private oasis, bringing greenery into the core of the house and fostering a strong connection to nature. Upon entering the house, the foyer opens directly into the main living room. This space is designed with high ceilings and large glass doors that overlook the courtyard and spool. The use of glass creates an expansive visual connection between the interior and exterior, making the room feel larger and more open. The living room's minimalist furniture, light-colored walls, and polished concrete floors emphasize simplicity and elegance. A sleek built-in entertainment unit adds functionality without cluttering the space. Connected to the living room and courtyard is the dining area and kitchen, which continue the open concept theme. The dining room is positioned to enjoy views of the courtyard and spool, allowing residents and guests to dine in a serene environment surrounded by nature. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring in ample natural light, and the sliding doors offer the option to dine al fresco during pleasant weather. The bedroom's design draws inspiration from the natural surroundings, focusing on light, openness, and a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The integration of the courtyard and spool into the house's layout enhances the bedroom's role as a serene sanctuary. Large windows and sliding glass doors blur the boundary between the interior and exterior, allowing natural light and greenery to enter, while offering direct access to the courtyard or garden space. This small modern house on a 10-meter by 20-meter plot exemplifies the potential of innovative architectural design to create spacious, comfortable living environments within compact urban settings. By incorporating a central courtyard and spool, the design promotes a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, maximizing natural light, ventilation, and the enjoyment of nature. The minimalist design, combined with careful attention to detail, results in a home that feels luxurious yet practical, perfectly suited to modern living. The house demonstrates that even on a small plot, it is possible to achieve a harmonious balance between style, functionality, and sustainability.